Hello, y'all, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. My name is Kel, and today I am participating in an open collaboration called Summer Yellow 22. It is a summer table, and the host is Marlene's How To's. And next up will be Deborah Cabassa, Home Living. J Mom Creations, and at Penny's Place. So make sure you go over and check out these lovely ladies' channels. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and tell them Kel from over If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It sent you over. So today I am featuring my bee theme. If you've been following me for a while, I stopped YouTube for about 2 months. I've been sick and my grandkids were here. And I usually do my yellow bee and lemon theme right around May. And I'm so glad that this collaboration came up so I am able to join in and show you all the fabulous stuff that I was showing you from all my home good hauls a few months ago, and how I was able to bring it all together in this fabulous tablescape. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe because it really helps my channel out, and leave me a lovely comment. And I'll see y'all very soon in a new video. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you in another video.